All right, it's raining. Well, hopefully you can hear me. I didn't really think about that. I'm gonna walk around the R32 and try to do a quick update, see if I forgot anything. I showed everyone my new fuel hanger, this little bad boy. Did some lines. I actually did the drain for the oil and the coolant. They're not tight, but I'm just trying to kind of adjust to see how far away I could keep it from the manifold. Got all my core work stuff on there. It looks so cool. I mean, this is just an engine hoist. And it literally, I don't know. I just think it's awesome. Great. All right, let's see. The car's is in pieces for sure, but I mean, it's coming along. I got some random stuff in. I got the bushing, the O-ring for the fuel tank, because this was like epoxied, and I just didn't want to do that. My Project Mu brake drum setup. I got all new GK Tech bearings, bushings, and all the pieces for my angle kit. Some brake lines for the cable brakes. I mean, the car looks cool. I don't know, it's got trash and it needs to be sanded and whatnot, but I got all the interior stuff out, most of it, so I could clean it up in here, clean up the wiring. So far this car is just a S chassis with the steering wheel on the other side. I love it. I mean, I wanted to get back into S chassis for a really long time, but at the end of the day, it's like the prices were ridiculous. This price was ridiculous. At least I could have this instead of an S chassis. Let's see, what else? I'm working on the chase base setup for my power steering. And before I do any other lines, I'm gonna take my harness. I just put everything back in here. I'm gonna steam it just to clean it up. It's so dirty. Redo some wiring. And then I think, since I have the English Tune wire separator, it's just a little guard that keeps your wires from getting hit from your tire. I think I'm gonna take this and do the old S chassis setup, put it up top here with some zip ties, and kind of go from there. But my goal for today is, I'm gonna see if I can get it on video. Never done this before. So I have to take the housing off of the turbo, because I totally forgot about the wastegate pressure lines and whatnot, just to have vacuum. And I don't have a port. I have the speed sensor port, but I don't have a port here, so I'm gonna tap this and try to put a barb on it so I could run this to the line, and then have the other one go for my controller, for my ECU and whatnot, and go from there. But until then, let's see, hopefully I don't mess it up. And begin to pray in tears of joy. So now my face with arms wide open under the sunlight. Alright, got the Creed out of the way. Alright, so I'm gonna try to take this housing off. I've never done this before. Let's see what we can do here. Drop this thing on the ground probably. Nice and slow and steady. I will say, all the fittings and sizes that's been such a pain. I've called Daniel and Ian's come over and get this size and get that size and all the different AN fittings, and as much as it sucks, it's still kind of, it's cool to learn, I guess. I don't know. I don't really know that much about it, but it's cool to at least know, hey, I messed this up, like I need to fix XYZ. So, alright, I gotta take a line off really fast, so I'm gonna pause this. All right, got these lines out of the way. Oh gosh, I see it. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Whoa! There it is. She's out of there. Pretty cool. Never done that before. Alright, I guess I'm gonna try to figure out how to tap this. Be right back. Say a prayer for me. Alright. I'm gonna try to drill a hole in my turbo. Have the little tap here, but trying to figure out what size bit I gotta use. Guess I'll look that up in a minute. I'm gonna try to start by drilling a little baby hole here. So if I mess up, you guys get to watch. Probably not many, but you never know. That's pretty nerve-wracking, for sure. For sure. Not a fan. Let's clean a little bit of this. Tried to tape everything up to keep metal from going in here. As I get further down into the turbo, I still am not a fan. Not even a little bit. Ah, this is not fun. Gonna go up a bigger size. Oh my god, why does that not? That's even just more stressful each time. God dang. Alright. I'm trying to step up each size to where it's not as stressful to cut, but damn. Whoop. Kind of like that. Oh, I almost messed that up. Whoa! I did mess that up.
No! God, please, no!
Well, whew, that was stressful. I almost cut into this little section right here, but it got caught at the very last second. Oh my god. Oh god, I did not like that. Right, as embarrassing as that was, I guess I could have probably did that better. Maybe, I don't know, clamp it down with something, or that I definitely could have helped if I would have just taken a second. But it's good, no damage. Got the hole drilled. It was still pretty stressful. Good to go. I'm gonna make sure I blow this out and clean it. Try to go tap this. I've done taps when I was younger, obviously, but never on a turbo. So first time for everything. BRB.